Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do integration with Zoom on Calendly. First of all, of course, you would like to go and open any browser you are currently using. For me in this tutorial, I'm using Brave browser, but of course for you, you can use other browsers such as Opera, maybe Brave like me, Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or any other browser could be possibly working for you. Then of course, to follow me, you'd like to go and open your browser, then open a new tab. All you need to do, type calendly.com and hit the enter button. Of course, after you doing that, it will actually kind of take you to something like that. Because for me, I have already my account. That's why this is my main screen. If something else appears to you, just click at get started or sign up or sign in to create your account, of course. Then that will actually be your main screen. So as we said in this tutorial, we would like to do integration with Zoom. Also, if we want to do that, all we need to do, just go and click at integration here. And as you can see here, we will find all the integrations. So if we scroll down a bit, we keep scrolling down, we have here Microsoft Teams, Outlook, Slack, and as you can see here, we find the Zoom application. So here, all you need to do, include Zoom details in your Calendly events. Just go and click on that, and as you can see here, features that save your time. It will tell you here the features. All you need to do now, just go and click at connect to Zoom. Then they will ask you to sign into Zoom. After signing in, you will be integrated with Zoom. So that will be actually for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.